folding some laundry. I can generally keep up with the day-to-day dishes, but I can't always tackle as much as I would like around the rest of our home. This laundry cart has made doing laundry just a little bit easier. I love the convenience of it. Sometimes I'll hang clothes up and ignore them for a couple days, but at least they are up and out of the way.
After all that we've been through, I always know I'll be the one to care a little bit, way too much. So now I'm gonna make a fuss. It has always been about you, never been a table set for two. You never care a little bit, not much. So now I'm gonna make a fuss. Do you see me now? Oh, do you see me now? Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
These ragdoll kittens are not so little anymore, and they get into everything, but they are so stinking cute and cuddly.
Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you?
I welcome my girls helping with the dishes, but I always find myself organizing the shelves.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and now you're going.
This island is a complete catch-all, and it never seems like a quick speed clean or wipe down. I find myself having to scrub it clean 9 times out of 10. Big families, big messes.
I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I've been thinking about trying the pink stuff for the stovetop. Have you guys tried it? Do you like it? I dread cleaning the stovetop.
I'll go anywhere the way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you.
If you've been following me for a little while, you know that I had removed this black hutch and replaced it with another hutch. It never looked quite right, so this piece is coming back in, although it was sitting in the garage for a while, so we had to clean all of the webs off of it first.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are.
That's all I have for today. I am going to spend some time with my family. I bought a couple sets of the Velcro ball toss mitts. I seriously loved these things when I was a kid, so I'd like to have some fun with the girls too. Thank you guys and take care. Bye.